Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the best high protein snacks for pregnancy. Pregnancy is a time when your body needs extra nutrition to support both you and your baby. Protein plays a crucial role in your baby's growth, helping in the development of muscles, organs, and overall health. Snacking on high protein foods keeps your energy levels stable and prevents unnecessary cravings. If you are looking for best high protein snacks during pregnancy, here are some great options that are nutritious, delicious, and safe for you. So let's explore the best choices you can include in your daily diet. First is Greek yogurt with nuts and seeds. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein, calcium, and probiotics. It helps in digestion and supports bone health. Adding nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, or flax seeds increases the protein content and provides healthy fats. You can also drizzle some honey or add fresh fruits for extra flavor. Number 2. Boiled eggs. Eggs are one of the best sources of high quality protein. They contain choline, which is essential for your baby's brain development. Boiled eggs are easy to prepare and can be eaten on the go. Sprinkle some salt and black pepper for taste or mash them with avocado for a creamy texture. Next is roasted chickpeas. Chickpeas are packed with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins. Roasting them with a little olive oil and spices makes them a crunchy and satisfying snack. They keep you full for longer and prevent hunger pangs. You can store them in an airtight container and carry them anywhere for a quick protein boost. Next is peanut butter on whole grain toast. Peanut butter is rich in protein and healthy fats that provide sustained energy. Spreading it on whole grain toast gives you a balanced snack with fiber and nutrients. If you prefer a different taste, try almond butter or cashew butter as an alternative. Adding banana slices or a drizzle of honey enhances the flavor and nutrition. Next is number 5. Cottage cheese with fruits. Cottage cheese is a fantastic source of protein and calcium. It is light on the stomach and keeps you full for hours. Pairing it with fresh fruits like berries, mango, or peaches adds natural sweetness and vitamins. You can also add a handful of nuts for extra crunch and protein. Next is number 6. Hummus with vegetables. Hummus is made from chickpeas and is loaded with plant-based protein. Pairing it with sliced cucumbers, carrots, or bell peppers makes a healthy and crunchy snack. It is a great way to include more fiber and essential nutrients in your diet. And if you like variety, try different hummus flavors like roasted red pepper or garlic. Number 7. Paneer cubes with herbs. Paneer or cottage cheese is rich in protein and calcium, making it an excellent snack for pregnancy. Cut it into cubes and season with black pepper, salt, and a squeeze of lemon. You can also lightly saute it in olive oil for a warm and flavorful treat. Eating paneer helps in maintaining muscle strength and keeps you full longer. Number 8. Chia seed pudding. Chia seeds are packed with protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. Mix them with milk or yogurt and let them sit overnight to form a pudding-like texture. Top it with fresh fruits, nuts, or shredded coconut for extra taste and nutrition. It's a refreshing and nutritious snack perfect for pregnancy. Number 9. Lentil pancake or moong dal chilla. Moong dal is a high protein legume that is easy to digest. Make a batter by soaking and grinding moong dal, then cook it like a pancake. You can add chopped vegetables like spinach, carrots, or bell peppers for added nutrition. This is a delicious and filling snack that keeps your energy levels stable. Number 10. Protein smoothie. A protein smoothie is a quick and tasty way to get essential nutrients. Blend milk or yogurt with banana, nuts, seeds, and a spoon of peanut butter for a protein-packed drink. You can also add oats or flax seeds for extra fiber and energy. And this is a great option for a morning or midday snack. Number 11. Sprouted moong salad. Sprouted moong beans are rich in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Mix them with chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt for a refreshing snack. It aids digestion and keeps you feeling light and energetic. Adding a little black pepper or cumin enhances the taste. Number 12, almonds and walnuts. Almonds and walnuts are excellent sources of plant based protein and healthy fats. They support brain development in the baby and keep you full between meals. Eating a handful of these nuts daily can provide essential nutrients like vitamin E, magnesium, and omega 3 fatty acids. Pair them with raisins or dates for a naturally sweet and nutritious snack. Number 13, oats with milk and nuts. Oats are a great source of protein, keeping your digestion healthy during pregnancy. Cook oats with milk and top with nuts, seeds, and a touch of honey for a wholesome snack. Adding a dash of cinnamon enhances the taste and provides additional health benefits. This is a warm and comforting snack, especially during colder months. Number 14, cheese and whole wheat crackers. Cheese is a good source of protein and calcium essential for strong bones and teeth. Pairing it with whole wheat crackers gives a crunchy and satisfying texture. Choose unprocessed cheese varieties for a healthier option. You can also add a slice of tomato or avocado for extra nutrition. Number 15, besan chilla or gram flour pancake. Besan is high in protein and makes a delicious pancake. Mix it with water, spices, and chopped vegetables to make a nutritious chilla or pancake. Cook it on a pan with minimal oil and enjoy it with yogurt or chutney. It's a light yet filling snack, perfect for evening cravings. Eating high protein snacks during pregnancy helps in the baby's development and keeps you energized. Including a variety of these protein rich options ensures you get all the essential nutrients. Always choose fresh, natural, and homemade snacks for the best health benefits. And if you have any dietary concerns, consult your doctor for personalized advice. Stay healthy and enjoy your pregnancy journey with these nutritious snacks. So that's it for today. So these are some best high protein snacks for pregnancy. Hope you love it and add it in your diet. See you in the next video. Bye bye.